I want you today to pay attention on this small tutorial that is going to help you to set up your AUTOSHIP for the first time or upgrade it if you haven't already set it up. So the first thing that we need to do is go into your back office, your new and amazing MyConnect, using your ID as the user and the password that you have already set up to go into your back office. So once that we are logging into your back office, we're going to go to this beautiful dashboard that looks really professional and really easy to understand. And on the left side on this menu, we're going to click in AUTOSHIP. So once that you are in this section, you're going to find 3 simple steps that you need to follow up in order to set it up. This is going to be really easy, really fast, and really friendly. So on the first step is that you need to select your products. What are going to be those products that you're going to have every 28 days in your AUTOSHIP setup? So I'm going to select here 1 box of Village, and I'm going to select 1 box of Cronry. Let's say that this is going to be my basic and requested AUTOSHIP every 28 days. So once that I have them selected, I'm going to click in this green button that says place order. The second step is to make the summary and review that all this information that I have here is correct. So what I have to make sure is that my billing information and my shipping information is correct. The billing information, just a little reminder, is where you are receiving the bank account statements or when you are receiving your invoices for all the purchases that you do online or every transaction that you do in your life. And the shipping address is where you wish to receive your amazing products every 28 days. If this is the same information, just place the same address in both spaces. But if this is different, as the example that you can see here, just make sure that you have the correct information in every label in order that we can go to the next step, which is actually the payment method. So let me click now in next, which is going to take me to this last step to put and add my credit card information. First of all, you need to put your card's holder name, and it's going to be important that it's as the same as it's on your credit card or debit card. I'm using here Sankey Global as an example, of course, and I'm going to add an example or a testing card just for you to see how easy this is going to be. Of course, we have to select a month for the expiration date that is on our card, and the same with the year. And of course, we have to put here the last 3 digits in the back of your card, which is the CVV, which is the validation code that every card has. Make sure that you select I have read the terms and conditions and the image consent release. In that way, you're going to activate automatically this green button that says pay. Once that you click on it, that doesn't mean that we are going to charge you right now this order. This is just to set up your AUTOSHIP that has been successfully done. And here in this text, you're going to be able to see when this charge is going to happen, between which days, and the value of your AUTOSHIP. This is really easy because you're going to see which is going to be the cycle that you're going to be charged, and of course, how much money you're going to be charged on your card. So then you can click on back to the main menu, and then you have already your AUTOSHIP set up. Guys, this is going to be really easy for you and all your team to make an amazing performance on your daily basis on your business. I hope that this tutorial helps you a lot, and of course, see you on the next one.